Hi guys, welcome back. Day Madam ready, lupa. Tasking ko day 3. But kadan Arabian night, but desi no per desi. So I'm wearing kurti. हमारे पास सारी obviously along third he man ka po sari then pong no nakaka salwar mam de kurti salwar to miss desi no per desi. Ang kreno na may follow na naglalap kre iba ba mo tama nga ba ni dan kreno
Long na say
welcome
comment.
to guys.
Long take you Punjabi day.
There. Cham haba yo dress code kum ta da phangam desi ma ndai Punjabi long to baak film to balik kum to de guys ngada ready kundo episode na lang pa sa class bye.
Hello guys.
ना धूप है Hey guys, staying in Apoy College.
डाला है हम उसमें कितना गंदा लग रहा है
गंदा दिख रहा था
हाँ मेरा फोटो एक भी अच्छा नहीं था
Hi Arabian night.
हाय अरेबियन नाइट
Hi Arabian night. Hey DC no par DC, how are you?
I'm good how are you
I'm good. हम लोग पंजाबी पहन के आए हैं only. How does she look? She's wearing the Arabian night. And we are wearing the DC no par DC. All are wearing the DC no par DC, right? Hi. Hi Rimi. Hi bolo.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. Vlog.
Maybe me also.
Right, only veg.
तो वीडियो बनाई थी दोनों के पहले
We look so beautiful today.
Indian bro Indian
Watch us tomorrow. What are you going to wear?
all money
All money.
Money.
All money, money,
oh
money.
money पैसा रे पैसा
और उसने भी देखा था मेरा कुछ ज्यादा ही नमूना था
इधर रिया है, रिया बैठा है. Hey guys, kani video pen ko na niya. Te kam da bon than do kata ru. Pen ko na niya. But saya pet yang sai skin do yang sai. So tangan tay gendong. Okay. Bye bye guys, skin do yang sai. Say bye. Bye bolo. Bye. Bye bolo bye. Say bye bye.
bye
Bye. Bye
Sorry,
pula.
sorry, Bye.
Bye guys.